9 is use of disinfectants. Please take note of the difference. Disinfectants are not the same as antiseptic. There is a difference between the two. In terms of antiseptic, we said they inhibit the growth and reproduction of microorganisms, thereby preventing the spread of their infections or preventing them from infecting and causing harm. But in terms of a disinfectant, disinfectants are actually chemicals that kills germs and even viruses. They kill microorganisms. They are chemicals that kill. But in terms of antiseptics, they don't render them dead. They don't kill them. They're just that they eradicate them from, make them useless and powerless. Thereby, they are not able to create any negative effect on the body or wherever they are found. But in terms of disinfectant, they end up killing these microorganisms. Examples of disinfectants include the Izal. I believe you've seen that before. We have the Izal, we have Lysol, we have the carbonic water, and so on. These are effective chemicals used for killing germs and also killing viruses and other microorganisms. Number 5 is quarantine services. Quarantine services. You could remember when we had the COVID-19 outbreak, one of the ways we sort of like the WHO and other scientists and other health workers were able to control the spread of the COVID-19 virus was to apply the service of quarantine. So there was a lot of quarantine. So to an extent, even in Nigeria, many persons were asked to sit at home and not come out, and so many other quarantine services that were involved. Now, what is quarantine? It simply means isolation of infected persons to observe and prefer means for a cure. Isolating infected persons so as to observe them and also suggest or prefer means for their cure. Now, this helps to reduce the risk of spread of harmful effects of microorganisms. It helps to reduce the effects of harmful microorganisms. Now, that is quarantine service. Number 6 there is health education. Very important. Health education. In fact, to me, it is one of the most important way or factor that can help to control the spread of microorganisms. Normally, people will always say, if you're not informed, you are deformed. They say information is